Hello students, welcome to Bitcoin Digital Teaching System. I am your math teacher and today we are learning Countdown 4. So before we start our topic, I would like to advise you for effective learning and takes maximum benefits from Bitcoin Digital Learning. So like and subscribe your school channel so don't miss any video. They watch multiple times video to find out the answers. So let's start our question and the question is write the given numbers and words. So before understand this question, this is very much important to remember this international counting system series. So one number of digits are ones, two number of digits are tens, three number of digits are hundreds, four number of digits are thousands, five number of digits are 10,000s, six number of digits are hundred thousands, seven number of digits are million, eight number of digits are 10 millions, nine number of digits are 100 million. So this is the basic international counting system which is much important to remember to understand these questions. So let's start our questions. And question number one is 3 million. So how we can realize that we can write these numbers in words in 3 millions. So because of your understanding, I can write the place value in the upside of the numbers. So you can use these number of series international to solve this question which I described previously. So you can start counting from right hand side to left hand side. So let's start ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, and millions. So we can write question number one is 3 million because the place value of million has number 3. So question number two is 140 million because 100 millions, 10 millions, and millions place value has 140. Next part of this question 217, 3 times 0 and again 3 times 0. So we can again start counting right hand side to left hand side. So here place value of 0 to 100,000 has 0. Millions place value has 7. 10 billions place value has 1 and 100 billion place value has 2. So we can write these in words 217 million. Next part of this question 50 millions. So again we can start counting right hand side to left hand side. Ones to million we have 0 and 10 millions place value has 5. So we can write this in words 50 million. Next question is write in figures with correct spacing. So in this question the numbers are given you in words and you can convert in figures with correct spacing. So in international system we have correct spacing like this. So international system correct spacing has three digits, then a small amount of space, then three digits, then space, then three digits, then space, and after all you start your counting. So let's start our question. And question number one is 9 million. So simply we can write seven number of digits because seven number of digits has millions, and after three digits we can take small amount of space to understand the international system correct spacing. So next part is 24 million. So again we can start counting and remembering these international series counting. So 24 million we can write 8 number of digits. After 3 number of digits we can take a small amount of space to understand international counting system. Next part of this question 705 million. So again we have 100 million and 100 million have 9 number of digits. So we can write these numbers and figures. Next part is 10 million 900. Again we have 10 million values, so 8 number of digits we can write in figures. And after 3 number of digits we have small amount of space to understand international counting system. So next question is find the place value of circle digits. So in this question simply we have figures and one of the digits have circle. So simply we have find the place value of the circle digits. So we can remember the international counting system and right hand to left hand side we start counting ones, tens, hundred, 200 millions. So 8 has place value 10 million. So we can write 8 as 80 million. Next part of this question. So in this question also we have figure and 0 has circle digits. So 0 has place value 100,000. So we can write these value as 100,000. Next part of this question 6 has circle digits. So 6 has place value million. So we can write 6 as 6 million. Number D part has 7 has circle digits and 7 has place value thousands. So we can write as 7,000. So students, hope you enjoyed and learned the basic concept. Don't forget to find out the answers and write the answer in your summer vacation copy to maintain your summer vacation learning project. As 10 marks included in the final term assessment. Hope to see you in the next topic. Thank you.